Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm just going to show you how to make a video between 15 seconds long and 59 seconds, how to make a normal video into a short so you can upload it onto YouTube. Just remember, when you do load it, in the title put hashtag shorts. Now moving on, I've got my video here. As you can see, it's 23 seconds long and it is a video, it's a running video. Now all you need to do now is go up to settings, go down to video mode, go all the way down to the bottom, and the one from the last one, not custom, broadcast, go on to that, and here you'll see all the options, HD. They've got squares which are acceptable, I've been told, but just to make sure, keep it at this. Vertical HD 30 frames per second, 60 frames if it's a moving video, obviously 60. So click that, bam, straight into short mode. As you can see, it's vertical, it's the right size all way round, so good to go. That's all it is, nothing more, nothing less. Remember, go to settings, video mode, non-broadcast. When you go onto there, go down to vertical HD 60 frames per second, and to change it back, because this was my problem, I forgot I had it on, just get to vertical mode and HD and pick your best. If you got a really good computer, then pick the best HD 1080, whatever's the best for you. I am kind of up here in between 720 and 1080, 25 frames at the moment with the laptop I'm using. Anyway, that's all it is. Please like and subscribe, or at the very least please like my video, because it's took me a lot of time and effort to do all these and buying everything I need, and I ain't going to be earning anything for a long time, so just to give me that bit of enthusiasm, please like or subscribe and comment saying hi, and I'll say hi back. Thank you. You take care. Catch you on the rebound. Bye.